Hello everyone, this is Donna and today we're talking about skincare empties. So guys, I've run out of 3 skincare products that I often use. So I've run out of toner, essence, and also lotion. So the toner that I've been using is this one. So this is the Green Tangerine Vita C Toner Pad. I have, I did a vlog about this and I will link the vlog down below so that you can watch it. So the whole vlog is just about this and how much I really love this. So I have run out, so no more. And I've also run out of essence. So the essence that I have been using is this one. This is the Time Revolution First Treatment Essence. So this is from Misha. And I also like this product a lot. So as you can see, no more. And lastly, it's the Vita C Green Tangerine Vita C Cream. So this is together with this is a Goodall product. Also the toner that I was using is also a Goodall product. So I bought them together and they've run out. So as much as I love Goodall products, I also like Misha products. I wanted to try something else. So these are my skincare empties 2019, and I have replaced them with a Misha product that I wanted to try out. So I've been trying it out for a few days now. So the toner that I'm using is, they have such long names. So this is the Time Revolution. So this is it. So this is the Time Revolution White Cure Blank Tone Up Lotion. Sorry, I thought this was a toner. So, okay, never mind. So this is the lotion that I exchanged with this one. Sorry, you have to forgive me because the toner and the lotion looks the same, see? So let's just do them together, okay? So this is the toner that I'm using. It's the Time Revolution White Cure Blank Tone Up Toner. Yeah, so this toner is, I was surprised using this toner because this toner has a very, very light scent, which I like. Usually I don't like toners that have scents, but I like how this smells. It smells quite refreshing. This evens out your uneven skin tone. It also brightens your skin. And not only that, if you have dull skin, it revitalizes your dull skin. So I've been using it for a few days now, and let me tell you, my skin loves it. So this is the toner that I exchanged with the Goodall toner pad that I've been using for quite some time now. So I don't really know. I only used it for a few days, so I don't really know how it's gonna be for, let's say, 1 month, 2 months down the road, if it's gonna work the same as this one. But so far, I like how it is on my skin, so I don't get breakouts and things like that, and it does its job. I do feel revitalized, and it's actually very soft on the skin too. It's very light, so I like it. I like this one. And guys, so the essence that I'm using is still the same one. So I have stocked a lot of this when I went to Korea because this is one of their popular products. This is the Time Revolution First Treatment Essence, and I did a vlog about this as well. The whole vlog is all about this one. I will link it down below, my vlog about this. So this, I kept it. I still want to use it together with Misha lotion and toner. So I'm not gonna go into details about this one. Just watch the vlog below, the description below. Sorry. sorry. I have a really bad cough right now. Sorry about that. And lastly, I'm using the Time Revolution White Cure Blank Tone Up Lotion. They have such long names. So this is quite surprising because, like what I've told you on my other videos, I don't like greasy cream lotions and stuff like that. I don't like greasy lotion, yeah, because I'm in Philippines. It's quite hot here, so I don't want to feel very sticky when I'm putting my skincare products on my skin. So this one is not greasy at all. So it has the same, it actually claims the same thing as the toner. It brightens your skin, revitalize your skin, moisturize your skin. Well, yeah. So far, it's doing just that. A few days only, so I can't really give you a very good review because I'm just using it for a few days. But so far, it's good. As long as I don't have as long as I don't get breakouts, it's fine with me. And maybe a few months down the road, I can make another review of how it is. But this is what I replace my green tangerine lotion with. So yeah, I have Empties and I have replaced it with other products, and I really hope you enjoyed this very short vlog of mine. And if you like more vlogs like this, please leave a comment down below. And if you have any other suggestions, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you again for watching.